guys, it's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey cuz, how's it going? So in today's video, it's going to be a bit different. I've never done any type of challenge or anything on my channel, so I decided to do the random numbers pick my eyeshadow challenge. I saw it originally on Instagram, but I cannot remember whose page it was, so I'm sorry, but shout out to you. And then I also saw Nikki Tutorials do like her full face doing this challenge, so I'm just gonna be doing my eyeshadow today because, you know, that's just what I want to do. And enough of me rambling, let's get straight into this video. All right, so this is about to be a huge challenge because sis, your girl struggles with eyeshadow. She has a hard time with it. Like, I have a hard time coming up with like looks and stuff. It takes me a minute, okay? I'm gonna be using my James Charles Morphe palette. It has 39 shades, of course. Oh, y'all see I got braids. Do y'all like them? Because I love them. Shout out to my girl Tiara for getting me right, per usual. But anyways, so I'm gonna be using the random number generator on Google, and I have it from 1 to 39. All right, so let's go ahead and generate for the first shade. So I got 7. So I got this shade here, which is Wig. Oh Lord, please let me get some mattes. All right, so that's the first shade. The first shade is gonna be Wig. Let's generate again. And I got 12. I have another shimmer. I think this is called Literally. So that's the second one. Let's generate again. I got 31. I got Pinkity Drinkity here. I don't know if y'all can see that, which is a light pink shade. So that's 3 shades. We have 2 more to go. Y'all pray they both mattes. I'm gonna cry. All right, let's generate. So I got 26. So 26 is this blue shade, y'all. This is going from bad to worse. And this shade is Hello. Let's generate for the final time and pray to God that I at least get another matte shade.
Okay.
10. Number 10 is this shimmer shade here, which is Sister.
This beyond me.
I'm gonna do it for a 6th time. Hey girl, what's going on? So I got 27.
Bruh.
So 27 is this blue here, which is Playground. What the I really have no words. We're gonna get through this. We're definitely gonna get through this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Playground first. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Oh my God. It's gonna be okay. So I'm gonna go on a Pinkity Drinkity. It's this one here. Oh God.
And
Literally, you cannot see that on my skin at all. Like, what? It does absolutely nothing for me. Absolutely nothing. My crease is cut now. I think I'm going to take Sister here, which is kind of champagne pink shade. Can you see it? I'm gonna take Sister and place that in my inner corner of the cut crease. That looks white. I'm gonna go into Literally next. I don't understand what I did to deserve this. I really don't. Like, I cannot believe that the Google random thingy majigger play me like this? I'm gonna take hello here. Oh my god. It's like if you were to ask me, Victoria, how did we get here? I would not be able to tell you. Let me know what you would have done different. I'm just gonna use wig as my brow bone highlight. I'm gonna throw some lashes on and all of that, and I'll return in just a second. Just give me a moment.
See, when you do clownery, the clown comes back to bite.
This is the finished look. I just threw some lashes on and attempted to smoke out the bottom lash line with Playground and threw some mascara on. I just had some Ruby Kisses clear gloss on my lips. This is interesting. Let's just say that this is interesting. This is interesting, and this is all for today's video. Of course, if you made it this far, for sure, if you stuck through this entire video with me, I just wanted to let you know that we are now family.
Hey, auntie.
So cousin, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every single time I upload. Y'all don't know how to feel right now. I just don't. But I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video.